In this video, I am going to show you how to make a new file that only has the selected data that you want. So everything else will basically get deleted. So in this example, I want to create a file that only has the US and Canada. Again, this is permanent versus temporary. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right mouse click and you're going to open the table and you're going to do an attribute query. In order to do an attribute query, you're going to go to select features using an expression. So basically we can use that same expression that I had done earlier. So I'll show you an example of how you actually calculate that. So you have to go to fields and values, and you have to find your admin field. There are actually ways you can turn some of these fields off in your project so that you can find things easier, because obviously you're seeing that there's a lot of data and it's hard to find things. So I can click admin here, and then I can say all unique, and then here we are again. So what you're going to do is you're going to you can double click on admin, do equal Canada, type the or, and then you would do admin again equals United States of America, and I'll delete my first one, and then you can just hit select features. You're going to see that it's highlighted only the US and Canada. So once you have that highlighted, what you can do is you can do another right mouse click and do export, and then you're going to do save selected features as. You're going to find your path where you want to save it. So I'm going to do my short tutorial and I'll call this US and Canada. And the other thing to keep in mind is that all right, let me just say US and Canada, and then is that you do have the ability here to change the projection. So if you remember, I had reprojected this in another video. So I'm just going to leave this as equal area. But if you wanted to change it back to its original WGS 84, you could click here, and then it would actually reproject the data on the fly and create that projection. But I'm going to go back and just use the equal area that we were using. So again, it's going to save it in that folder. If you don't set this, it's just going to go to a default folder somewhere. So I'm going to hit OK. And then there is our new permanent file. Right, so if I go ahead and delete this, remove the layer, it's gone. And then if I go into that folder that I was working out of, there's the US and Canada file, and notice that it just shows up as US and Canada. Thanks.